Welcome to Think Digitalization. This is where technology, AI, and smart digital strategies come together. If you want to stay ahead in today's digital world, you're in the right place. Now, let's get into today's topic.
What if I told you that in 2026, you could run a YouTube channel without ever touching a camera? In this studio, creators are using AI voices, stock footage, and motion graphics to build entire shows from a laptop. No lights, no lenses, just ideas and the right tools.
And not just any videos, animated, engaging content that people actually watch.
Today, we're breaking down the top 5 AI tools making YouTube automation easier than ever. From storyboarding and voiceovers to smart editing and scheduling, these apps can practically run a channel for you.
These are the top 5 AI tools changing YouTube forever. Let's break them down, starting now.
First up, OpenAI Sora. This tool turns text into cinematic animated videos in seconds.
It's powerful enough to create cartoon-style stories, explainers, and even short episodes.
And it looks this good.
Pretty unbelievable, right?
Here's what stands out. First, the pros. It generates high-quality video and audio with smooth motion and scene continuity, perfect for storytelling.
OpenAI Sora version 2 is wild. It can spin up stunningly realistic video from plain text, edit with voice or sketches, even mix cameras and styles on the fly. But let me be straight about the trade-offs. First, some features sit behind a premium plan.
What you care about is making animated stories and fun cartoon characters. Crikey AI is built for you. It's purpose designed for that style. Second, it bakes in voiceover and even motion capture tools, so your characters not only look alive, they sound and move like it too. Honestly, it's one of the easiest.
AI is built for cartoon characters.
If your channel depends on mascots or recurring animated hosts, this one stands out.
It gives us voices, timing, and a whole library of moves ready to go.
And it keeps the style consistent, episode after episode.
Crikey's AI animation generator is wild, but it's not perfect. First, the style leans cartoony and 2.5D awesome for shorts, but not the full freedom of a big 3D rig. And second, it's built for scenes and clips, not hour-long episodes.
This is LTX-2, also known as LTX Studio. It's a text-to-video and storyboard tool that, unlike a lot of pure AI models, gives you real manual editing control. I can trim shots, mask layers, even tweak the grade, all right here.
LTX Studio gives creators more control over scenes and framing.
It's great if you want consistent characters across an entire series.
I can tweak the shot, change the angle, and the models stay true to who they are.
And every episode feels like one continuous world.
That's huge.
Storyboard tool, and here are the cons you should know about. First up, the storyboard configuration can feel like a mini film school. It's powerful, but there's a learning curve. And second, because the model's juggling both video and layout logic.
Runway Gen 4 shines when it comes to short, stylish clips.
Perfect for animated scenes you can stitch together into full episodes.
The quality is impressive, smooth motion and expressive scenes.
But to get consistent cartoon styles, your prompts have to be very clear.
Clear and maybe a little specific about mood and color, right?
Exactly. Mention the palette, the line weight, even the texture if you want everything to match.
Got it.
First, the clips look remarkably consistent. Motion flows, lighting sticks, and if you feed it reference images, you can keep the same characters or design language across shots. Plus, it eats artistic prompts for breakfast, watercolor, claymation, you name it.
Dream Machine is fast and creative. It's ideal for quick animated concepts, but complex scenes may need extra polish.
Maya's on staying. Let blood check like you couldn't mind. Wily, obviously it is, could you learn?
Why I like Dream Machine from Luma Labs, I usually boil it down to 2 big wins. First, it's ridiculously easy to spin up short videos. You type a prompt, hit go, and in a minute you're watching something that looks polished enough to post. No steep learning curve, no clunky settings. Second, it understands motion and narrative cues.
Let's talk about the downside of Dream Machine. First, it can still struggle with text accuracy and with complex motion. You'll notice signs that look a bit garbled and action that sometimes jitters. And second, it's just not as polished yet as the big commercial players like Sora or Runway.
Creators combine tools. Sora for scenes, Crikey for characters.
Then everything comes together in a simple editing workflow.
Everything you've seen today is part of the digital future. And here on Think Digitalization, we break it down clearly. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep thinking digital.